Hello everyone, good evening. Hi, good evening. Okay, very good that you people are on time. So, okay, let me tell the
Good
rules
evening,
very
ma'am.
clearly. If you have any doubts related to the previous homework, then please use the chat box. Okay, I am closing the chat box to myself, so I will be only able to see your messages. Please send your doubts in the chat box. I'll write it down.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please send your doubts
Good evening, ma'am.
chat box. Good evening.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Number, okay?
Can I close my door?
Yeah, sure. Nanika, go ahead.
Ma'am, when I was taking the PDF of the questions and answers, like the PDF didn't come. It said that the files are not there. The files that are not available.
I'm not sure, Nanika, why, but I tried it personally. It was working for me before the class. So try it again now. If it's not working, you can share screen and show me. Okay.
Okay.
I'll try to sort it out. You can do it now also. If you want, you can share screen. Others, can you please tell me what are your doubt numbers in the chat box? If you did not understand any question in the exercise, we are here to discuss the first set today. I can see your screen, Nanika. Go ahead, go to Olympiad Success and check. Hanifa, did we have to do test 1 or test 2? Because I did only test 1. Set 1. Only set 1. In Olympiad Success, there's set 1, set 2. Remember, you have to do set 1. Another message came. Anirudh, good evening. Okay. No one has done the exercise or no one has a doubt. What is the problem?
Ma'am, I just joined it today.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did it, but no doubt.
Type it in the chat box, dear. Please, I would not be able to remember. Aradhya has doubt in number 10. Say Advika.
Question number 9 or question number 8.
Yes. Yes, number sense. Go to that. Yes. Go down. Go down below. Not reading material, Nanika. Scroll down, please. Number
Excuse me,
sense.
ma'am.
Set 1. Yes, Aradhya.
Excuse me, ma'am. When I tried to do the same, I went in live classes and also did the same.
Nanika, give me
It
1
came
minute, please. 1 minute. I'll just take the screenshot and send it to the team. Probably this has happened recently. Because I was able to see that few minutes back. Okay, say Shivani, are you also having the same problem?
No. Like when I checked in this at 3 o'clock or something, I checked it, but it still said that file does not exist.
Oh,
I have sent you the questions which I have a doubt in,
who
and
is that
it
person?
will not be able to.
Manvik, I do know that. Please listen to me carefully. You're supposed to send the answers in the chat box and wait. Don't worry, I'll start it. Okay. Right now I'm talking to Nanika, right? So
Good evening, ma'am.
wait. Good evening, Arnav. Okay, Nanika, one second. You can stop the screen share. Thank you so much. I've taken the screenshot and I'm sending this to the team that files are not opening for grade 5 maths.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when I did the same, it showed number 30 instead of number sense.
Okay. No problem. It's okay. Number sense and number theory is wrong. You said that last class also, Aradhya. I would like to see you logging in. So if you can share your screen, please do share it. Sanika ma'am, I could not do the homework. I tried to open it, but the subject did not appear. So I clicked on the link above. It showed that I have to enroll. I wrote and gave multiple options. Then I told to enroll. Yeah, so you have to select one of those options. You have to select the timing in which you're doing the class. So it has to be batch 1, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. to 9:15. Try selecting that, Sanika. And if you have problem, you can share your screen. I can do that. Aradhya, please share your screen. Shivani, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. But also in like when I try in the device I'm doing the meeting in now, it's not coming. But when I do it in the laptop, it's only working.
Then show me it on the camera then, Aradhya. Okay?
Yes,
Turn
ma'am.
on your camera and show your laptop screen. Say, Shivani.
Ma'am, I have a doubt on question 7.
Did you write it in the chat box?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, write it down there. I'll do the questions together. Advika, quickly.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question 8.
Question 8. Write it in the chat box, Advika. You are old student. I don't expect this to tell. Okay, fine. Ajia, say.
I have a doubt in question number 10.
You have written that in the chat box, no? No.
I'm writing.
Please write it. Yeah. Shania, no problem. You have not missed anything. If you have done the homework, that is set 1. And if you did not understand any question number, please write that down in the chat box. Okay. All right, then. I'm logging in and checking if the files are working for me or not. Mathematics Olympiad, number sense. It's working fine for me. It's a little weird, but it's completely fine for me. I'm not sure why is it happening for few of you. Okay. Nanika, by the way, this is grade 5 login only, no? Please check if it's grade 5 login or some other login because or not every student is facing the problem. So just check that. Okay, fine, everyone. Now I'll be going and doing your doubts one by one. So those people who have joined in just now, let me remind you that you all are expected to send me your doubts. Okay, so please send me the question numbers which you did not understand, but only within 2 minutes. Do not do it right now. If you have not done the file, then my recommendation is that please do the homework and then come and discuss it. Okay, don't look at the questions now and ask the doubts. Manvik, what happened? Why are you raising hand?
Ma'am, I was raising my hand to tell my doubts first.
I have received your doubts in the chat box, Manvik. I don't need that again. Hanifa, say.
Can we send the answers in the chat box?
Yes, you can do that. Say, Nanika.
Ma'am, when I checked it, last day before yesterday, it worked fine. But today it's not that. It's not working properly.
I know, Nanika. That's what I said. For me, it's working fine. So that's why I'm a bit confused why it's happening for you. But no worries. I've told the
But
team.
I did the set. I did the worksheet.
Okay, then it's okay. Then no problem. If you have a doubt, then you can tell me the question number. Question 3 is the first doubt from Samriddhi and Manvik. So pay attention, Samriddhi and Manvik, and others, you can help me in the chat box. Okay. Kashmir, question number 1's answer writing. Thank you so much for the answer. If you have a doubt, let me know. Arnav has a doubt in the first question also. So let's do the first question first, then we will move. So the first question says, everyone please pay attention. It's important. Yeah, Shrihan.
Ma'am, do we need to type all the answers in the chat?
No. If you have done the sheet, no need to do that.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing is predecessor of 66. So Arnav, pay attention. What is the predecessor? -1, right? So 66 minus 1 is
65.
65. See, you did not fall for 67. What is the successor of 121?
122.
122. So they are saying subtract 65 from 122. So 122 minus 65. The shortcut is 12 minus 5. Arnav. That ends in a
7.
only option ending in a 7. 57. Got this clear? Thank you, Arnav. The third doubt is Manvik and Samriddhi. Please pay attention, Manvik and Samriddhi. All right, here we go. The face value of 4 in this number. Manvik, do you remember that the face value always remains the same?
Yes, ma'am. My doubt is not here. My doubt is in the second line.
Place value of 7 in the sum of the place value of this and this and this. So first solve this part, then come to 7. Is that okay, Manvik? So first solve this. What is the place value of 7 here?
Ma'am, 70.
And what is the face value of 6?
Ma'am, 6.
So the number becomes 76. Now I'll go back to Samriddhi Singh. Aradhya, I'll just need 2 more minutes because I cannot take that doubt right now. I'll first figure out all the doubts, then I'll see your screen share, okay? So 76 is this. Now Samriddhi Singh, are you there? Samriddhi, I can't hear you. Anirudh, don't worry, no problem. Okay. Anirudh, we are doing the third class today. So we are discussing the homework of the first class which we covered. The homeworks will be, given to you on this website which I opened just now. That's olympiadsuccess.com. And the class recordings will be visible to you on YouTube playlist. So they will be providing you the link for the class recordings. Please refer to that. You will get an idea. We just did number system, something you have already covered in school. So that was the kind of recap. Okay. And right now I'm just doing the doubts. Okay. Thank you. All right. And you have to turn on your video, sir. All right then. Samriddhi is not responding. So Manvik, I'm coming back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Samriddhi is responding. Okay, good. So Samriddhi, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
Ma'am, 70.
Very good. Now, what are they saying in this part of the question?
Ma'am, multiply 76 with 4.
Yes. So, not 76. That's the problem, Samriddhi, where you got the question wrong.
Yes,
You have to multiply the place value, not the entire number. So, you have to multiply 70 with 4. Okay. And what's the shortcut, Samriddhi? 7 times 4?
Ma'am, 7 times 4 is 28, and then we just have to put 1 0.
Thank you. That makes the answer as option C. Manvik, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manashri, say. You are muted.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
In
Question number 7.
Yeah, I'll come to that. You have written it in the chat box. I'll only be taking the doubts of the people who have written it in the chat box. No direct entry like this. Write it in the chat box.
I have joined the.
This is the first class. Priyasha ma'am has been very lenient. In the next class onwards, I will not be. And Aradhya, I'm not taking your screenshot out right now. I'm so sorry. We have to cover up a lot of things. We'll do it at the end or after this. Okay, question number, next doubt which I have is question number 4. Then I'll go to 7 and 8. So, unraise your hand, Manashri. Number 4. Okay, whose doubt was this? Arnav. Arnav, pay attention. The place value of 5 here is 500, correct?
Ma'am, no. Mine was 8.
Who is raising hand?
Ma'am,
Samriddhi
it
Singh
was
has a
9.
doubt. Oh, yeah. Samriddhi, your doubt. So, Samriddhi, what's the place value of 1? Samriddhi, unmute. That's fine, Kashmir, no problem.
Hello.
Bhumik, what do you want?
In question number 6.
Have you written it in the chat box?
No.
Then you have to wait till the end. We'll take the doubt at the end. Okay, so place value of 1, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I gave my answer.
10.
You gave my answer, means?
Ma'am, I gave the answer.
Anvik, you're not supposed to say this. It's okay. Okay, Samriddhi, if you're not responding, I am directly doing the question. Please do
Yes,
it
ma'am.
carefully. Yeah.
100.
Okay, no problem. See this now. 100. So 500 plus 100. How much is that, Samriddhi?
600.
Thank you. The sum obtained, that is 600, is divided by the face value of 4. Face value of 4 remains the same?
Yes, ma'am. So it's 400. I mean,
Hmm.
not 4. 4. I got confused.
Only 4.
In the last one.
Only 4, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you are dividing 600 by 4, you end up on 150. Is that okay?
Okay.
That's how D is the answer. Okay, thank you. Bhumik, I'll do the 6th one at the end. Number 7. Many people have a doubt on this. So let ma'am do this directly. face value of 4 is 4. Place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 7 is 7. And face value of 8 will remain 8. Now tell me which is the odd one out of the 4 numbers. All numbers are even except 1, and that is 7. This is the odd one out. Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking too much.
Jia, it may be a network issue from your side. Others are able to hear me. So see what we can do. Switch to a different place if you can, or turn off your video. See if it is better. Okay. The next one is number 8. Number 8 is a long question, and I know that people will have doubt in this. But the fact is, we have done a very similar question in the classroom. All of you remember? Thank you, Manvik. The explanation was right. Thank you, Vedant, for confirming that you can hear me clearly. Trisha's savings is, let me write it down. Trisha's savings is 6542. Ritika's savings is double of Trisha. That means 4, 8, 10, 1, 13. This is Ritika. And Gauri is 520 more than Trisha. So it's like 6542 plus 520. 2, 6, 10, 1, 7. So Gauri is 7062. Am I right, everyone? Thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Yeah. All the numbers are correct. Trisha, Ritika, Gauri. Now we will do the real application. The real application is that Trisha's savings are rounded to the nearest 1000. 1000 means 6542 falls between 7000 and 6000. And of course, it is more than half. That is 6542. So it will go to 7000. So now the new salary or savings of Trisha would be 7,000. For Ritika, we have to round it to the nearest 10,000. So 13,000 falls between 10,000 and 20,000. Which one is closer? Of course, 10,000 is closer, ma'am. 13 is closer to 10. So this will round down to 10,000. For Gauri, we have to round it to the nearest 100 only. So that means 7,000 and 7,100. This is the range of the number. Where will 62 go? Manvik, you're unmuted. I don't want you to answer. Chat box, Anvik. You know this. Don't break the rule and again and again. 1/3 miss and you will be in the waiting room. And I'm very strict with my rules. I'm so sorry for that. 7,062 will go rounded up to 7100. Okay. Now they are asking us to total all the values. Total all the values. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 2, 4, 1, 0, 0. Everyone's answer matches with option A. Yeah, I see that in the chat box. Thank you, Reyanshi, Vineet. Vineet, is this your first class today? Jia, Shivani, Arnav, Kashmir. Oh, it's you. Okay, okay. Just rename yourself.
I just forgot to rename.
No problem. Thank you, everyone else. You also gave the right answer. Now, the next doubt I have is number 10, 12, 9 also from Manvik. 11 also. Okay. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God. You guys have distributed all the questions. Okay, Manvik, pay attention. Ramesh's salary is 45,678 and he got a promotion and his salary increased by the place value of 5. What is the place value of 5 in this number? Manvik, now you can answer.
5,000.
That's correct. That means we have to add up 5,000 to the existing salary. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5,000 gives me 8, 7, 6, 10, 1, 5. Now they are saying whatever is the new salary, round it to the nearest 10,000. That means this salary falls between 50,000 and 60,000. Which one is it closer to, Manvik?
Ma'am, 60,000.
How is that possible? 678 is lesser.
Ma'am, I think.
I'll write it down for you. It will become easier. This number falls between 60,000 and 50,000. Now, it is only 678 away from this number. But from this number, how far is it?
Ma'am, it is 50,000. Over here.
Yes, it is more than 9,000 away from it. So therefore, we'll go with 50,000. Now is the doubt clear, Manvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Number 10, let's discuss the doubt number 10. Doubt number 10 is from, wait, I remember it was from someone with the name M. I'm forgetting it.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Gia also had a doubt in this one.
Ma'am, I also had.
Okay, that's nice. So I'm doing the 10th one. Janvi. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the place value of 5 in this number?
500.
Thank you. Aradhya, what's the place value of 5 in this number?
The place value of 5 in this number is 500.
If we add them up together, Gia, what do we get?
1000.
Thank you. Now the question says that this 1000 is actually equals to 725 rounded to the nearest 1000. Remember, this was the last point of discussion in our classroom. Last class. 725 falls between 0 and 1000 in the table of 1000. So of course, it will round up and it is closer to 1000 as compared to 0. So yes, it will round up to 1000 and the answers would be same. Is that clear to all my students?
But ma'am, but
Say, Jia.
in the answer sheets, whenever I saw the answer as false. I don't know
I
why.
think you saw it for a different question, Jia. It's true only. We can check it also. We have the answer key. If it is written false, then I'll ask them to change it. Let me check.
Okay.
Answer key 1. True. The explanation is also given, Jia. I think you did a mistake in checking the answers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Say Arnav.
Ma'am, but when we add 500 plus 500, answer is 1000.
That is exactly what we are getting on the right side also.
It is written 725.
To the nearest 1000, Arnav. Read the full question. We just did it on the right side. See? Done? Okay, number 11 people. Look at this. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, why did you compare it to 0? It would have been compared to 700 also.
700 doesn't fall in the table of 1000. Say Naman.
And by mistakenly, I raised the hand.
Okay, now that you have raised the hand, you have to answer. Face value of 6 in this number is? Face value.
Ma'am, 6 only.
Very good. 6 is multiplied to the place value. Aditi, place value of 4 here.
Ma'am, the place value of 4 in 2458 is 400.
Thank you. Parth Sharma. Multiply 400 with 6.
Ma'am, 2400.
Thank you so much. This number is rounded to the nearest 100. So Hanifa, 2400 to the nearest 100 is?
It 4,200. 4,000. What? Can you repeat the number?
2400 to the nearest 100.
It's 2,400.
400 only. Guys, this is the second tricky point of the day, that when the number is a multiple of 100 only, then the number will remain the same. No up, no down. Okay? But the question is not this much. Samriddhi Singh, was this your doubt? No.
I also had a doubt in this.
1 second. Tanisha, can you read the last line of the question and tell me the final answer?
Yes, ma'am. What is the successor of the number obtained? The successor is 2401.
Thank you. Clear 11 number? Someone had a doubt in this. Clear, no? Aradhya? Okay. The 12th question was also a doubt. So I would need some help from Devashri this time. Devashri, predecessor of 2547. What is the predecessor?
2546.
Thank you. Closing it to the nearest 1000. Mishika, nearest 1000? Which number? Louder, louder.
And 3000.
3000. Thank you. So this becomes 3000. Now the question is 3000 is equals to, Sanika, what's the face value of 5 in this number?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Face value is, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
1 second, ma'am.
1 second you
Face
said.
Ma'am, the face
It's 5 only. Okay, that's right. Thank you. Parth Padwal, what is the place value of 6?
Ma'am, the place value of 6 is 1000, ma'am. 6000.
6,000, that's right. People raising hands, stay back. I'm coming to you. Shanaya, you tell me the last step. What is the multiplication value of 5 and 6,000?
Ma'am, ma'am,
How much?
30,000.
30,000. So is 30,000 equals to 3,000? No. So the answer becomes false. Thank you, Shanaya. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, explain me question number 3 and 6.
Hello.
I can't understand what he said.
Explain question number 3 and 7.
Did you write it in the chat box, sir? You are commanding me to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you write it? After I told you, right? So what did I say? I said I will do it at the end because you forgot to write it in the beginning. So I will be doing that. And please say a please in your coming statements. That makes you a better person. Don't command it to anyone that explain 3 and 6. Please explain question number 3 and question number 6, ma'am. That should be a sentence, okay? All right, Kashmir, I need your help in another question. Manvik, say what happened?
Then I could drink water.
Yeah, please. Okay, people, no need to ask permission for drinking water or going to the restroom. Please type it in the chat box that you are going to drink water or going to the restroom, and you can leave and come back. Okay, no need to worry. Yes, Manvik, I saw your message now. Okay. Kashmir, the new question is, what are we doing today? What's the new chapter? Kashmir will be like, this is new, ma'am. I did not expect this. Say, Kashmir. No, others in the chat box, no raising hands.
Geometry.
Sorry, louder.
Ma'am, geometry.
Oh no, not a jump from number sense. Something in number sense only.
Number sense, ma'am. Then successor, predecessor we have done.
We have done it.
Then we can.
I have many right answers in the chat box. Good going. No raising hands. If I unmute each one of you, we will finish the class today here only. No raising hand. I said no. N-O, you people. Okay, many Roman numerals is one of the right answers. Shanaya, unraise your hand. Okay, Kashmir, one thing is Roman numerals and the other thing is international number system. So guys, international number system and Indian numeration will be compared today. Okay. So in Indian numeration, everything is same with international numeration till 100,000s. I mean, till thousands. Everything is same. Ones, tens, 100,000s. Till here, everything is same. When is the thing changing? When is the thing changing? We change this thing when we compare 100,000. So in 100,000, please note this table, guys. This will be very, very helpful for you people to do the questions coming forward. This table shows 100,000. 100,000 has how many zeros in it? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? Now in international system, we put three commas, 3 digits and then a comma. Aradhya, give me 1 minute. In international system, we put 3 digits after a decimal. After a comma after 3 digits from the right side. But in Indian numeration, we put it 3, 2, 2, 2, 2 like that. And that is why we call it lakh in Indian numeration and 100,000 in international numeration. Say, Aradhya.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in place value. I was absent in the previous class.
Place value is when you take the digit and you multiply it with whichever position the number is existing.
Ma'am,
Also, Aradhya, when you are absent, you are supposed to see the class recording and come to the next class. That will make your job very easy. You know where you find it?
I found the recording. I see it, but I have a doubt in this question.
Which question? Say no.
To place value of 0 and 20 lakh 79,000.
Aradhya, that is set 2, right? That is set 2, right? Exercise 2.
Yes.
We have not done that. We are doing it today. So you have not missed anything. Okay. Do not worry. We just did set 1. Say Anna.
Ma'am, 100,000 1 million are Indian numeration?
No, international numerations.
International.
In Indian numeration, 1 million is called as 10 lakhs. So
10
you guys see YouTube videos, right? So if someone has 1 million subscribers, they actually have 10 lakh people who are subscribed to their channel. Okay. So it's 1 million equals to 10 lakh. Now this conversion will be very, very helpful. Please make a note of it or copy it. Ma'am is sending it in the chat box also so that you can save it for solving the questions moving forward. Yeah, Mishika, we will try to play one, but it depends on the time we take to complete Roman numerals. Okay, if we have 10 minutes at the end, we will definitely play a match. Otherwise, we have a class test that day we will have. Okay, now, so as I was saying, the commas are different for Indian system and international system. For Indian system, look at this example, please. 3, 2, 2, 2, and then whatever number is left. But in international system, it's 3, 3, 3, and so on. Say, Mishika.
Writing that one. Ma'am,
Type in what?
Ma'am, I was writing that table.
Oh, I just sent it in the chat box, Mishika. Can you download it from there? Open the chat box.
I think she's saying
from there. Someone is speaking without raising their hand. Not a good thing. Yes, Anvita, say.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding this.
I'll do it again, Anvita. I'll give you an example. So, this is 714620. How will you call it in Indian numeration? In Indian numeration, you will start from the right side and put a comma after 3 digits. Okay? Once that is done, Anvita, then you will put another comma, but after 2 digits, and you will continue with 222 only. Now, when you read it, how do you read it in Indian numeration?
7
One.
lakhs.
Yeah, you know that. Okay, say 7 lakhs.
7,14,620.
Absolutely. But if the same thing is done in the international system, instead of a comma after 2 digit, we will continue to put commas after three digits only. And that's the reason, Anvita, why we call this number as 714,620.
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say Aradhya. Say Aradhya.
Excuse me, ma'am, when can I do my screen share?
I'll do it at the end. Radhya, concentrate on the new topic right now. I told Bhumik and you know that I'll do it at the end. Either
Yes,
end
ma'am.
or we can do it before going for the break also. In the break time, we can do it. We'll save some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Arnav, say.
But how can we understand that that is international numeration?
By looking at the commas. Simple. Here you look at the comma and you realize that, oh ma'am, this is international or Indian. This is Indian because it has
Yeah.
two digits after every comma and this has three. So international. Okay. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, in Indian form, the digit first digit will um 3 and second with 222. Yes.
Yeah, but from the right side, Bhumik, not from the left side, the right side, the last side, this side.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now, people, not how to write this. This is not the question I want you to do. Find out which one is Indian and which one is international. IND, INT. Write it down in the chat box. Question number 1, write 1.int, 1.ind, like write it down like this. And all 4 of them together. This is the task. All 4 of them together. Sure, Kashmir. Drink water and come back soon. Thanks, Janvi.
Ma'am,
Say, Shania.
in which I got disconnected, in which one is INT and IND?
IND is Indian system of numeration and INT is international system of numeration. So you have to identify that these numbers are international or Indian.
Okay,
Thank you so much, everyone. I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 answers. Thank you. Say, Manvik.
And can you do the that who got who way?
I'll just do it for the first 3 people. The first one is Aditi, the second one is Naman, the third one is Nanika. And if Manvik is waiting for him, then 4th is Shivani, 5th is Arnav, 6th is Sanika, 7th is Devashri, 8th is Manvik, 9th is Parth Sharma, 10th is Janvi, and 11th is Bhumik. That's all. Say, Shanaya, your hand is still raised. You have a doubt? Oh, forgot. Okay, no problem. So 3, 2, 2. The moment I got a 2, 2, I understand this is Indian, ma'am. 3, 3, 3, international, ma'am. 3, 3, 3, international again. 3, 2, 2, Indian. Say, Bhumik.
I want to say answer.
No problem, Bhumik. Next time.
But I've done in chat box.
No problem. Okay, this is the toughest slide of the day today. The toughest slide of the day today. 5 questions, and if you people give the right answer, that means you people have understood the conversion of international to Indian. Remember, ma'am shared a image with you people in the chat box. If you don't remember, then ma'am can send that image again. Please use this table or remember this table to do the questions in the exam. And if you can't remember, then you can write 10 million and then divide it by a crore. That can also happen. Send me all the answers together, please, Shivani. Everyone else also, please send me the answers together. After doing this question, we will go for a break. And after coming back from the break, we'll do Roman numerals. Okay. And in the break time, I will take the doubts of Bhumik and Aradhya. So Bhumik and Aradhya are not going for the break.
Ma'am, again the same thing like the reasons worksheets. You told us no by the 1 billion.
No way what? Sorry?
Ma'am, 1 billion. There is 1 billion in the revision sheet as well as in these questions.
Yeah,
Okay.
so in the table, there is no 1 billion. So this is something for your ideas, no? I will give you everything. Think about when does a billion come. If you don't know, then wait, ma'am will discuss. When does 1 billion come, guys? 100 million or 1000 million? Chat box, chat box. Chat box, Arnav, chat box. Oh, Parth Sharma gave me all the answers. Ibrahim have given me 3 answers. Ibrahim, all of them, please. Shivani, Aradhya, all of them together, please. Sanya, please, all of them together. Arnav has given me 3 answers. I need 2 more. Arnav, you want to say something?
Ask me.
Samriddhi Srivastav, I got the answers. Be careful a bit, please. I think there is some trouble.
Miss, all of my answers are correct or
That I
wrong?
can't tell. Actually, they are not. But I will not say this for everyone. I will become mad if I read it for 35 people, 34 people. Say, Parth.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
Oh my God, wait. Okay, fine. Those who haven't answered the question are going to get a very nice gift from ma'am. But don't use this gift in something else. It's only the first class of this chapter. That's why ma'am is giving you this. But in home, as your homework, you are expected to either remember this table or write it down somewhere. Okay? So here comes your chat, which is a very important chart, which will help you answer all the questions easily. Okay, now I'll go with some people who have not answered. Let me go with some new faces this time. And those who have answered a lot of times or asked me a lot of questions, you also will not speak now. Say Hanish. Answer. You are here to answer. Yes, I think. But I can't hear you for some reason. I can't hear you. I can see you speaking. Can you change your microphone to something else, Hanish? See, there is a mic button. Now I can hear you. Now I can hear you. Say. I can hear you, Hanish. I can hear Hanish. It's okay. Hanish, you speak.
Ma'am, gonna answer the questions.
Yes, only the first one. Say.
The There are 10 million is 1 crore.
1 crore. And how did you get that? You saw the table or you actually drew it?
I did not do it like I remember it.
Oh, you remember it. Very good then. So people who do not remember it, you are expected to write down 1 million. Okay. 1 million has how many zeros, Vedant? Thank you, Hanish.
Ma'am, 1 million has 6 zeros.
6 zeros. I have drawn the correct one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 1 million or 10
No, ma'am.
million?
No, ma'am. This is 1
Yes,
billion. Ma'am, it has 5 zeros.
Okay, so you mean ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. I don't think it's million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 100,000, million,
A minute.
10
I
million.
need to check it, ma'am.
Oh, how many
Ma'am,
zeros?
ma'am, you
I'll not
confused me with the drawing, ma'am. With the
Okay,
one
okay,
with
then
the
I'll
zero.
not draw. Okay, fine. I will
Fine.
not take any
And what
allegation.
was the question again?
How many zeros in 1 million, not 10 million? 1 million.
Million.
Arnav, you have answered a lot of times and asked a lot of questions. Unraise your hand. Unraise your hand. I've seen you a lot of times. Aditi, also go back. The
6
people who have
zeros.
answered recently
6
will not.
zeros.
6 zeros. Sure, sure. Okay, fine. Oh my God, what did I do? I deleted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You say this is 1 million, right? I'll do the counting in front of you. 1. What, ma'am? Then you will change your answer. Say.
No, ma'am. An easy way to count it. Convert
Say.
1 million into the Indian numerals of the
That
section.
only I'm trying to write. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. So you are right. But here we are asked 10 million. So one more zero. Now write 10 million like this and count it like crores. So how would you do it? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crores. So you get the idea that, ma'am, it is none other than 1 crore. Thank you so much, Vedant. Anvita, let's go with you. Second question.
Ma'am, second question.
How many hundreds are present in 1 lakh? 1 lakh.
Anvita will answer only. No one around.
Ma'am, 200s.
200s? 200s is not possible. Check your answer again, Anvita. I think there is a problem.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how is 1 million equal to what is 0.1 crore?
It's in decimals. So that's why I was not sharing it. So it's like 1 crore is 10 million, no? So if you divide 1 by 10, you will get 0.1. We will do it in the decimals chapter, Anvita, later. Okay. Manvik, I have seen you a lot of times. So I'm not allowing you to answer this question. Sorry. Samriddhi also. Advika, you will get a chance. Mishika, no chance. Jia, no chance. Say Advika. Samriddhi also, you've got a lot of chances. Sorry. Whom did I call?
Ma'am, I want to have a chance.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Advika.
Yes, Advika. I was calling you only. Say Advika. Second one.
How many hundreds are present in 1 lakh? There is 100.
100 is your answer?
100,000.
100,000. So final answer is 100 or 1,000?
No, there are 200s present in lakh.
So what do you call that at the end of the day? How many hundreds are there?
There are 200s.
No, you don't call it like that. 200s are getting multiplied with each other. Shivani, say.
Ma'am, it's 1,000.
Very good. First write 1 lakh like this. Everyone learn this method. Write 1 lakh like this. Then write 100 like this. And then cancel the common zeros. Out. How many? 1,000. So you will say 1,000 into 100. So that is hundreds is present in 1 lakh. So 1,000 is your answer. Okay. If there is a doubt, then let me know. Vedant, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am. I just wanted to tell the one more way of telling how I got the answer.
Okay, go fast.
Ma'am, just look at 1 lakh, 100,000. I just took the 1,000 because
Mhm.
1 lakh and 100,000 are the same. So that's how I got.
That's right. Okay. Arnav, do you have a method or do you have a doubt in this?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Something is what, not the answer.
No answer. Ma'am, I have the book of international system.
Very good.
I learned till billion, trillion, million.
Very nice. Thank you. Jia, say quickly.
I wanted to answer, so yeah.
Jia, you have got a lot of chances. I mean, I've unmuted you a lot of times. So there are people who have not got unmuted. I'll come to you after I give them a chance. Advika, what happened again? Riyansh, I'll come to you. Do you have a doubt? Samriddhi, do you have a doubt?
Ma'am, I
No?
didn't understand the question.
No, ma'am, I want to answer questions.
Okay, then wait, please. I'll come to you. Advika did not understand. So, Advika, look at this. I took 1 lakh. I wrote 1 lakh rupees here. And then I divided it by 100 rupees. So, 0 cancel. Now, I am left with the leftover number. That means there are 1,000 hundreds in 1 lakh. That means if I multiply 1,000 with 100, I will land upon 1 lakh. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Anvita, you have a doubt or you want to answer?
Ma'am, why are we doing it with hundreds?
Because the question is asking how many hundreds are present in a lakh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Riyansh, I'll come to you. Riyansh, where are you? You were raising hand. Riyansh. Yes.
Yes,
Riyansh, do
ma'am.
the third question. Quickly, guys. We don't have time. Speed up. Say, Riyansh, how many lakhs are present in 1 billion? 1 billion has how many zeros in it? First question. Riyansh, 1 billion has how many zeros in
Ma'am,
it?
7 zeros.
Not
7
seven,
zeros.
sir. Let me ask this question to someone else. Samriddhi Singhni, Samriddhi Srivastav. How many zeros in a billion?
9.
9. That's correct. Now, 1 with 9 zeros.
Miss, I got the answer. It's 10,000.
Whosoever answered, do not do this again.
Miss, it
I
was
did
me
not.
only.
No, it's fine. Still, whosoever, me only. You got one chance. You couldn't answer. So you'll have to wait for your second turn. Okay. So we are asking how many lakhs. So here comes lakh with 5 zeros in it. Now let's cancel it out. 5 zeros from the top, 5 zeros from the bottom. We are left with this. So how many lakhs are present? 10,000 lakhs. Again, please. Okay, fine, Samriddhi. I got it. 10,000 lakhs only. Okay. Thank you, Samriddhi. Aditi, what happened? You want to answer questions and you will not get a chance. Same for Arnav. Shrihan, over to you. Number 4. Aditi, you have a doubt? No. Okay.
20 million.
Samriddhi, you have a doubt? Aradhya, you have a doubt? Sorry, Shrihan, give me 1 minute. Aradhya?
Question.
Sorry?
I want to answer a question.
You want to answer the question? First, check your mic. I can't hear you. And please wait. I'll come back to you. Manashvi? No doubt?
Ma'am, the answer is 2 crores.
2 crores for millions one?
Yeah, the
4
20
1 you're
million.
saying, right? Yeah, 2 crores is the right answer. That is absolutely correct. Thank you so much, Shrihan. Same thing, guys. The table which is given, you just divide it by 10, you get the answer. Manashri, you wanted to answer? No, then you have raised your hand by mistake. Okay. Aradhya, over to you then. Last question, number 5.
478,000 in international system is equal to mountain system.
Just tell me the digits and tell me where to put the comma.
Ma'am, 478,000.
Tell me the digits, Aradhya.
4, 7, 8,
Hmm.
0,
0, 0? How many zeros?
3.
Very good. And where to put the comma?
After 3 digits.
And any other comma?
In 2 digits.
Yes, because we are turning it to Indian. Thank you, Aradhya. Say, Anirudh, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. This question only.
No problem. I have a new question for everyone. And Anirudh will answer it by unmuting. Others will answer in the chat box and then we'll go for the break, okay? So 4780000 has how many hundreds in it? The question is 4780000 has how many hundreds in it? Send me the answer in the chat box. And Anirudh, you tell me directly. Jia, send me the answer in the chat box. It's very clear English. If you have a doubt, then ask.
No, ma'am, I didn't understand.
How many
Like the
hundreds are
fifth
present
one.
in this given number? Oh, fifth one you did
No.
not understand.
Yeah.
So you have to write down this number 4780000 and then convert it into Indian system. So for converting it into Indian system, you need to put an extra comma here. That's all.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Anirudh, are you ready with the answer? Everyone is correct in the chat box except Sanika.
Ma'am, 4,780.
Very good. That's the right answer because all we need to do is divide this by 100. So that gives me 4780. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, go for a break. Come back in 5 minutes quickly. And where is Anush? No, who had a wait? One was I have to check the chat box. Wait. Yes, Aradhya Manoharan. Aradhya, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share screen?
Yes.
Please do that. Others go for a break. 5 minutes from now exactly. I'll call you back. And Bhumik, are you there? Or you went for the break already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be ready. I will take the doubts after I clear Aradhya's doubts. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
we need to understand that table to answer these questions, no?
Yes, that table is the real table. So in the class, what I did was the dividing method was suppose you cannot remember the table, then you can use the dividing method. And if you directly remember the table, then you can answer it like in 2-3 seconds only directly. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the dividing method?
Like 20 million is how many crores? So first I write 20 millions in proper digits and then I divide it by 1 crore. So I'm left with 2. So that's how I know that it's 2 crores. But if you already know that 10 millions is 1 crore, then you can directly convert 20 into 2 by dividing it direct.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Anushri, sorry, Aradhya, are you sharing screen?
Yes.
Okay, Vedant, it looks a bit difficult because we're already running short of time. So I don't think, but yeah, tomorrow we will definitely have because we'll have a class test on Wednesday. Yeah, share. Okay, done. Do it fast.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Bhumik, I'll take your doubt after this.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm trying to sign in, but it's not coming.
There's something wrong in this, that's why. Enter a valid email ID.
Ma'am,
Sign in. Say Samriddhi.
ma'am, could I leave? Because, ma'am, like, we have a celebration.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. No
I'll
problem,
see the
Samriddhi.
recording.
Yeah, enjoy Samriddhi. No problem. We'll just cover one more topic, that is Roman numerals. So it's fine. You can see
Okay,
the
ma'am.
recording.
Now I already know Roman numerals.
Then go and enjoy.
Yeah. Ma'am, could you tell one more thing? Ma'am,
Yes.
I get confused between L and V. Ma'am, what
L
is
and
L?
V.
Yes,
L is
ma'am.
50. L is
Okay,
50 and V is 5.
ma'am,
Okay.
and D is 50, right?
V is 5. V is 5 and L is 50.
Ma'am, what about D? Is it 50?
D is 500. The highest.
Oh, yeah. I got confused.
Okay, Samriddhi. Thank
Excuse
you.
me, ma'am.
Bye. And
Bye,
yeah,
ma'am.
do the set 2 as homework, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
This is Aradhya's sister speaking, and we're not able to log in with her Olympiad
That's what I can
success.
see on the screen. It's okay, Radhya. Can you take help of your mom also or your dad once in this? Why is this not logging in? Because it's saying valid email ID. So the email ID has a problem, not the screen. Just check it with them, please, once, and then you can try again. Even call up Olympiad Success tomorrow morning. They will help you directly on a Zoom call. Okay. But this problem is not their problem. This is your email ID which is wrong. So check which is the right email ID you have given them. Okay.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jia.
Ma'am, what test do we have on Wednesday?
I will not talk about it right now. I'll talk about it only when you finish the syllabus today. Okay. All right, then. It's time for all of you to come back. So please come back. Bhumik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhumik. I'll just quickly take Bhumik's doubt, guys, and I'll be back. So, Bhumik, this was the exercise, question number 3 and question number 6. This is question number 6, Bhumik. So, integer. The definition of integer says that everything is allowed except for fractions and decimals. So, no fractions. So, that makes option C as the answer. Okay, Bhumik?
Okay. But
And
I don't understand question number 3.
18 or 3?
3.
Yeah, 3 is what I'm showing you. So in question number 3, face value will remain the same, Bhumik. Place value of 7. Okay, place value of 7 in something. So what is that something, Bhumik? Read this carefully. Place value of 7 and face value of 6 in this number only. So in this number, what is the place value of 7, Bhumik?
Face your place.
It's written on your screen, Bhumik. Don't waste time.
Okay, 7. 6.
Place value. Yeah, so place value will be 70 and face value always remains the same. So it is 70 plus 6.
76.
Yes. Now you understood this one? Now tell me, Bhumik. Now come to this part of the question. Place value of 7 in the sum. The sum was 76. So what is the place value of 7 and 76?
76. 70.
70. Very good. Now they are saying multiply 4 with 70. Multiply. So what is 7 times 4?
280.
That's right, Bhumik. Clear, no? Thank you. Okay, people. Let's get back to Roman numerals. So even Roman numerals have a table to follow, but it is very simple if you know some of the rules. Tell me how many of you have not done Roman numerals before? Not done. Not. You don't know what are Roman numerals. No, you don't know what are the rules of Roman numerals. Anyone who has not done it at all? Wow, everyone has done it. So that means, okay, Vedant has never done it? Oh, okay. So you're the only one in the class then. Shania has also not done it. Okay. So pay attention, everyone. I'll recap the rules. This is the most important table. This table is not important below. The most important table is the one at the top, which says I is represented as 1, V is represented as 5, X is represented as 10, LCD. You know LCD screens in your, like, old screens were called as LCD screens. Now they are LED screens. So LCD is 50, 100 for century. That's why C. And D is 500. And the biggest number is M, which is 1000. See, there is something called as, say, Bhumik.
Roman numerals of 1001 is MI.
Thank you. Next time, write it in the chat box. Advika, say.
Ma'am, 1000 is for M because 1000 is also called as a millennium.
Thank you. That's right. Vedant, say.
Ma'am, when I told I'd never done the Roman numerals before, I meant I have never done the below.
Okay, fine. Kashmir. So there is rule number 1, which we have to follow in this. The rule number 1 is what happens if we write a smaller Roman numeral after a bigger one. Let's say XV. What is the value of XV, Kashmir?
Ma'am, XV 15 now?
Very good. So this is rule number 4 in this slide. Have a look. This is rule number 4 in this slide, everyone, which says that when you write a lower value digit on the right hand side of a bigger value digit, you add it up. But please be careful. You cannot repeat it more than 3 times. The maximum we can repeat it is 3 times. So if I ask this to Riyanshi, Vedant, unraise your hand. Riyanshi, if I want to write 14, then how will I write it? In Roman numerals?
Ma'am, in Roman numerals, you have to write 14 like X
That is for 10, correct?
and then I and then V.
IV stands for 5 minus 1, 4. And this brings me to the 5th rule. Thank you, Reyanshi. This brings me to the 5th rule, which says, whenever you write a smaller value on the left side, it gets subtracted. So, Sanya, you tell me how to write 19 in Roman numerals. Devashri, coming to you. 1 second. Say, Sanya.
Yes, ma'am.
19.
Ma'am, 1 second, let me check.
Hands down, hands down, hands down. My mission is still not complete. Many people have not answered yet. Yes, Anya, say.
Excuse me, ma'am, we can type it in the chat box, right?
Yeah. All of you can type it in the chat box. Sanya, say.
Is it XI?
XI will be 10 plus 1, 11. Sanya, follow the
To be
rules.
subtracted, right?
Yeah, 1 has to be subtracted. So I will come before X. So what will we get? IX means 9. But I am asking for 19. So I need 10 more. So should I add an X before it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 10 plus 9, 19. XIX, guys. Say Devashri.
What if you have the number XYV, then how do we know if it is 114 or if it is
XY. V, right? Okay, yeah. So this brings me to the another call that see, whenever a number is given and they want you to convert it back to the normal number system, the first rule is to figure out which is the largest value Roman numeral here. So Devashri and others, please focus. What is the largest value numeral you find? X, I or V? Devashri, which one is that largest value?
X.
X. Now see, you act like a cartoon character now. You watch the left side once. Do you see anything on the left? No. That means there is nothing to subtract. Now you watch on the right side. Right side, there are a couple of things. So that means you have to only add, you don't have to subtract anything. So the moment you get this idea that you don't have to subtract anything, please convert the X first. Okay? Then search for the next biggest number in Roman numeral. I or V? Which one is that? V. Correct, Devashri? Now, the moment you have V first, you will again do the same check. What is the same check? Sanya, you're not paying attention. Devashri, you will have one check here. You do find something on the left. That means you have to subtract. And that's the point where you realize that whatever this 1 or any number is written, that has to be subtracted from 5. So that's how you get it's 5 minus 1. That is equivalent to 4. Is that okay? Thank you. Yeah, Hanish, bye-bye. Bye-bye in the sense, come back from the restroom soon. Okay, there is another very important thing which is not written over here. And that one important thing is that 550 and 500 cannot be subtracted also from any number and cannot be repeated multiple times also. For example, if you want to write a 10, you don't have to write a VV. You have X for 10. If you have to write 100, you don't have to write a 50-50. You have a C for it. Similarly, if you want to write a 95, if you want to write a 95, please don't do the mistake of subtracting a 5 from 100. That is wrong. You have to split the numbers, everyone. Okay? So let's split the number. Nanika, 95 can be split in 90 plus 5. Am I right?
Yes. Like,
How
so
should
for
we write
90?
90?
We subtract 10 from 100. And
So
then we add 5 for 5.
Thank you. That is the way how you write 95. Thank you, Nanika. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, I gave you the answers, like 4 things answers right now over here.
Yeah, I have received that. Okay. Riyansh, I have not unmuted you, or I have. There are 2 Riyansh, right? Ibrahim has also not got unmuted, and Anirudh has got unmuted once. So
I got chance.
you got chance. Thank you. Then we'll go to Ibrahim. Ibrahim, ready? Ibrahim? Let's go, Ibrahim. These are the 5 questions. I want everyone to answer it quickly. Ibrahim will answer the 78. First one. Yeah, Shania, please go and come back soon. Guys, the only interesting part is splitting the number. Please split the number. 70 plus 8. 70 can be split as 50 plus 20. 8 can be split as 5 plus 3. Ibrahim, you said something?
Ma'am, which question? My
This one.
network connection is just
Okay, no
not
problem,
fine,
no
ma'am.
problem. I have ticked the one. 78. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am, should we only split it? We should not write the Roman numbers.
Splitting it is the first step. Then you write the Roman numbers for each of them. Thank you, Sanya. But I think there is a problem. C is 100. Mishika got the answer. Naman got the answer. Devashri got the answers. First, second, third. And no more ranks. Okay, guys. 50 stands for which letter? Janvi? 50 stands for?
L.
Samriddhi Srivastav. 20 does not have a letter, right? So how can we write it, Samriddhi?
20 XX we can write.
Thank you. What next should be done, Jia? What for 5?
For which one? The
5.
which fifth one?
Not the 5th one, Jia. Pay attention.
You
Nishika,
can
over to you. 5. Mishika, your voice is breaking. 5. Anvita, what happened? Okay, guys, the network is really bad, I think.
Rani, convert.
Yeah, Anvita. Anvita, I can't see you, and I will it will be difficult if I can't see you. See your fan. Okay. Convert 3. Vedant, convert 3.
Can I take?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Mishika,
you're
now I
talking
can
in
hear
the
it.
fourth one, right, ma'am?
No, I'm not. You guys are not paying attention. We are still doing the first one. It's okay, Mishika. I heard you that time. LXXVIII. How is this 78? 50 adds up with 20 and 5 adds up with 3 to give you 78. That's how you split the number and do it. What about 817? This is the last question for the day, everyone. Focus. 817. We will split it as 500. No need to raise hand. Just type it in the chat box, Manvik. 500 plus 300 plus 10 plus 7. So 7 can also be splitted into 5 and 2. 500 stands for? Jia, no need to say the answer like this. It's okay. If you have a doubt, you can ask.
Can we repeat 100 C as 3 times?
Yes. Not more than 3 times, but till 3 times is okay.
Okay.
Then 10 is written as X, 5 is written as V, and 2 is written as II. So that's how you get the answer as DCC. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am, could I split as 8 plus 10 plus 7?
No. 8 plus 10 will not be correct. 800 will be correct. 8 is in the hundreds place. Remember place value, Anvita?
Ah, yes, ma'am.
So splitting should be done as per place value.
So now, people, pay attention. Say Manasvi.
I have written CCCD for 800. So is it correct that we minus the left one?
No, we can't do that. You can't subtract 2 digits from 1 digit. You can only subtract 1 letter. So only one thing will be there. Okay, Manasvi? Anyone else has a doubt on this? No? Pure? Kashmir? No doubts? Manvik? Naman? No doubts? Hanifa? Bhumik? No doubts. Anirudh? Any doubts? Shrihan, I can't see you. Okay, good. Then in that case, pay attention, everyone. What will happen next class was your doubt, right? So next class, you people will be doing 2 things and coming to the class. One of them will be the homework that is set to, and the other thing will be a class test. So I am also giving the link, but Olympiad Success would also give you the link. So no need to worry. They will send it to you on WhatsApp as well as email. Okay. But just for your convenience, I am sending you the test link here in the class as well. Give me a minute. Copy. Olympiad Success. So in this test, how will you submit the answers? You will have to use the Google form to submit the answers. Okay. I'll share my screen and show you. This is the test link, everyone. Please have a look there. And this is the page which you will get when you open the test link. So the rule is very simple. Click on download questions. Click on download here. You can get it printed also, or you can keep it on your device. There will be 20 questions as your test paper questions. I would recommend you to do all of them. There is no timer, so take your time. Do all of them and write down all the answers in your notebook. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, like that. Once you write down all the answers, come back to this website, come back to the link I have given and click on submit answers. In the case of submit answers, you will have to put your email ID. You will have to put your name. There are 2 fields of email ID, so you can just put in both of them. And remember that there is no question written in the Google form, okay? So that's why ma'am told you in the beginning that please write down your answers in a notebook so that you just open this and select the options 2A, 3B, 4B. And after you do this, click on submit. Once you click on submit, they will submit and they will also show you the scores. For example, if I do @gmail.com and I just submit the answers just to show you. So they will show me view score. View score will tell me how many are correct, how many are wrong, which ones are correct, which ones are wrong, like that. Oh my God, you just saw the right answers, by the way. So this is how you will be submitting your test paper, okay? But this is not very important.
Ma'am, can you show it again? Like how to go into the
I have
page
sent you
of
the link.
numerals?
This is the page where you come to. This is the
Ma'am,
page.
कुछ network?
Sorry, Aradhya, what network?
Ma'am, there was a network issue, so I had to
No
leave.
problem, no problem. Olympiad Success will be giving you a detailed
Ma'am,
steps
can I
of how
leave?
to access the test also. So this is a topic test. The 2 sets which we did in the class, right? In the 3 classes, you people will be actually testing this in the next class. That means in the next class, we will discuss this full paper along with everyone's doubt. We will also discuss the doubts of the set 2 homework which you have. And in case you feel you did not understand any topic, you can ask me. I can discuss that also in the classroom. So don't miss the Wednesday's class. Now, thank you for raising hands. I'll take your doubts one by one. And yeah, if anyone has understood it and wants to leave, they can directly drop off. No problem. Okay. Yeah, Manvik, say.
Ma'am, can I?
Bye.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
I am
Manvik.
nothing to say. I had just
Bye,
accidentally
ma'am.
opened my hand out.
You
Ma'am,
accidentally did
Thank
what?
you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm so sorry. 1 second. I'll just be coming to you. Yeah, go ahead. Please say, sir.
yeah, so this whatever the link, this they have to complete the before the class and submit the form, or during the class they will submit the form.
Before the class, you can do this, sir. This is a in-home test. This is just to test whether Gia understood the 2 topics which we did in the class or not. So it's a kind of a normal test, topic test we
So
can
there's
call
one
it.
more paper is there, right? If you see, there are 2 every day. There are 2 sets are there, right? Actually,
Yes. So here, the one which you're talking about, this is a general homework. So this is
correct,
only talking about the topic we did today. That is
correct.
international system and Roman numerals.
That she has to complete, and she has to complete this also, both before
Yes.
Wednesday, right? And submit it.
Yeah.
And then next
Yes.
class we will discuss the answers basically.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Anvita?
Ma'am, you send this link now. After the class, where will you find it?
On WhatsApp as well as on email. So they will be sending it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay,
After the class, I will tell them to send it. They will send it on WhatsApp.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Say Manashri.
Same out I got that she has gathered. Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, Aradhya, bye. Say that again, Manasvi.
The same doubt I had that the GFs
Oh,
are there.
you understood. Thank you. Advika, say.
Ma'am, can you just show it again? I didn't understand.
Which part? You being an old student is acting like, oh my god, what new things happened. Say, Advika, what you did not understand?
I didn't understand how to go from the printout form into the submit thing.
Ask Bhaiya.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
I'm serious. You have to just click on download test questions, write down all the answers which you have solved in your notebook, and then click on submit answers to put in the answers over here, because these question numbers do not have a question written on it. So you will forget which question's answer is what. So that's why write it down in the notebook and then select the right answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Any
you.
other doubt, anyone? No? Then Olympiad Success will be sending you this file as well. So set 2 and this test is your double homework now. Okay? Fine. All right then. Bye-bye. Take care. See
Bye,
you on
ma'am.
Wednesday.
I'm the class
Thank you.
mate as always.
Thank you, Advika. I hope you all like the class. Bye-bye. Take
Yes,
care, everyone.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.